COVID. Let me take you on a trip through the shores of my mind. I move slowly on the beach of life, my feet disrupting the sands of time. All around me are the waves of nostalgia, piercing through the cages of a life when things were free. As time stands, we are more constrained and conflicted, as isolation and quarantine forces us to address the wars within. But let me go deeper. As I explore the crevices of my mind's eyes, I wonder if it's hopeless as this life I hope best translates to me becoming whole again. The world is in panic mode as we don't know when it would get back together. As life schemes and plots, governments seem to rot at the real scope of COVID. All we have are more vids and hoping that our lives will be once again open and free as we quarantine.